Good afternoon, welcome to Everyday Garage. We've got a Mercedes CLA come in the other day. The customer had fitted his own Mercedes part headlight, and he just wanted us to get it booked in, code it in for him so he could get it all working. So we've got the vehicle in, tried to code the headlight, then come across an issue with coding it. So next thing for us to do is check the power supplies and stuff down to the new unit that the customer supplied. And then in doing so, we found this. Okay, so the customer's obviously probably seen this and then put it all back together, unknowing that this is going to cause issues with power supplies and bits and pieces into the headlight unit itself. This is going to need to be rectified. We have got a new loom here that we've just got ourselves from Mercedes, so just in case. That's what a new one should look like. Okay, no corrosion or grot or anything in there. So I'm going to splice this in. I'm not going to replace the whole loom. This is going to take ages. I'm just going to splice this in tidy into the harness there. It's very quick to check for powers and grounds and bits and pieces that are plugged. There's only a couple of wires in there really. So we'll do that, get the headlight in. Hopefully we can get back to getting it up and running for him. Okay, to make this repair now, we've had to go quite far back into the loom. Got a few connections here. They've all gone okay. I've had to go right up under the fuse box and almost down to the bulkhead with one of the connections here to get a decent bit of wire that hasn't burnt through, that hasn't overheated. But that's all good now. The wiring's all where it should be. My connections are good, so I just need to rebuild this and get my headlight back together. Here's the difference here between the different bits, and you can see here compared to this side here where I've had to cut back. So the burnt wiring is all now out, or the bit that's overheated. Just back to the good copper bit of wire, so this should be good when it goes back together. Okay, the wiring's all been installed, headlight's gone back in to the CLA. When we got it all back together, the xenon bulb still wasn't working on this side, but I was happy and confident with my wiring repair. So I checked the fault codes. We're still having an issue with the xenon bulb in the fault codes. So I've replaced the ballast from the good side to the bad side, and the ballast resistor's got that headlight working. So unfortunately for the customer, he's going to need a ballast resistor to finish the job off. But good news for him is everything else will then be working. So this will be another job finished.